Let's learn about the United States of America. Here are some facts about Alaska. It became a part of the USA January 3, 1959. It is the 49th state. Its capital is Juneau. It is in the western region of the United States. It covers 663,268 square miles. 17 of the 20 highest mountain peaks in the United States are found here. It's the coldest state in the U.S. The official state flower is the forget-me-not. The state tree of Alaska is the Sitka spruce. The state bird of Alaska is the willow ptarmigan. Hi everyone, Skye here of Skye's Workshop. Remember to check out playlists to get you to your favorite categories of videos. And remember to like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching.